As you know, students, today is our third drawing class. Inshallah, we will discuss or learn about the object drawing and the tools. So before starting our class, there are some instructions that I want to share with you. And the instructions are: completely prepare yourself for taking class, means keep your book, copy, or a pen, etc. with yourself to note down the important terms and points. Okay, so the next one is, if you have facility to take a screenshot of the slides, so kindly take it. Okay, the next one is, if you are not from the relating class, so kindly remove yourself. Okay. The next one is, do not raise hand during lecture. Ask your question at the end of the lecture by using the chat box. Okay. So the next one is, take care of time for attending the class. The next one is, home tasks should be done in your first subject copy. And the last one is, if there is any disconnectivity during the lecture, try to rejoin it within 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, students. Now we will move towards our so today's topics are object drawing and tones. Inshallah, we will cover the object drawing and tones today. First one, we will focus towards the object drawing. Okay, so the topic for the object drawing are table. We will draw a table, cup and saucer, and apparat by the help of three steps. Okay, we will cover it by the help of three steps. Step number 1, 2, and 3. We will cover table, cup and saucer, and parrot by the help of three steps, and these all the diagram are belongs to the object drawing. Okay, students, now we will move this the actual definition for the object drawing. Okay, what is the object drawing? Object, a drawing object, describe visible content such as shape, diagram, or a line of text. We can change and enhance the objects with color. Different types of drawing describe different types of content. Okay, a drawing object describe visible content, means visible content that what you are trying to draw it, such as its shape, means if what's the shape of it, its diagram, and or a line of the text. The next one is, we can change and enhance the object with colors. Means by the using of different colors, we can change or even enhance our diagram, or especially the object diagram. So, as we know, in the previous class, we draw the scientific diagrams, and for the scientific diagrams, we use just only pencil to draw it, and we will not we don't use the colors for the scientific diagrams, but for the object drawing we can use, even we use the colors to enhance it, to change the to change it the object drawings. Okay, the next one is different types of the drawing, describe the different types of the contents there. So then we will move towards the tips for the drawing, especially for the object drawing. Okay, definitely you will use the soft and light pencil for the drawing. Next one is, make a box of 6 into 6 inches for the diagram. It can also be variable. Means you can also change it as per according to your own diagram or the size of the diagram. Okay, the next one is, the symmetry should be maintained. Symmetry should be maintained. What is the symmetry? I repeated, the quality of being made up of exactly similar parts facing each other or other an axis is the symmetry of that diagram. Okay, the next one is, size of the shape should be equal in all three steps. As we all know, when we will draw an object drawing, so we should have to focus on three steps. Step number 1, 2, and the 3. So all the size of the shapes must be similar or the same. Okay, the next one is, steps should be different from each other. Definitely, there's in the step number 1, the step number 2, and the step number 3. There is a difference. Okay, and the next point, erase extra lines in the third step. Okay, for the third step means the step number 3, you will erase some lines. Definitely, you will erase the extra lines. Color the picture in the third step only. So you will color the picture just only in the step number 3. Not you will color it in the step number 1, step number 2. Not you will just color it in the step number 3. Okay, first of all, we will discuss about the table, how we can draw a table. So, the table with the rectangular shape. We will try to draw a table with rectangular shape. Okay, so as we all are know that object drawing based on three steps. Object drawing based on three steps. So that's why we will focus first of all the point step number one. So what's the step number one? Draw five horizontal lines and vertical lines with separation of specific measurements. So for the step number one in the table, to draw a table, step number one is you will draw five horizontal lines and four vertical lines with separation of specific measurements. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now we will start that how we can draw it. Okay, this one is the diagram that we will draw it. First of all, you will draw line. So you will draw five vertical lines, horizontal lines. One, two with a specific difference. Third one, which is parallel to the first one. Fourth, and the fifth line. So the difference between these lines are, this one is the 1 centimeter, about 5 centimeter, about 6 to 7 centimeter, and this one is also the 5 centimeter. Okay, now we will move towards the vertical lines. So first one is the vertical line. Second, which is a parallel in respect to the first one line. The third line is at the right side of it, and the fourth line is exactly with the parallel with the third line. Okay. Then you will draw two diagonal lines. Diagonals. You will draw the two diagonals. Okay. Now we will move towards the step number two. I hope student it is clear. So for drawing the step number two, highlight and draw specific lines on the graph. What we will do? We will highlight and draw specific lines on the graph. So as you all know student, this one is the graph. Okay, in respect of it, we will highlight some lines. So you will focus, first of all, you will focus on the screen. We will highlight this one line. The next is the upper line. This one line. Okay, these are lines that are continuously highlighting. Okay, these are the highlighting lines. Diagonals. Another one. Okay, we will completing our diagram by the highlighting some lines. Okay, this one line is the extra line. You will take a slant line to draw a legs for the table. Similarly, this one, third, and the fourth one line. You will draw a fourth one and the slant line to complete the leg for the table. Okay, now you will close it just like that. You will close it. Okay, it is the step number two. It is all belongs to the step number two. Now we will focus or move towards the step number three. So in this step number three, we will remove the extra lines and color the diagram. So we will remove the lines. If you will focus on the diagram on the screen, so you will observe that lines are continuously removing. Lines are continuously removing. Just like that. This one. This one. All the lines, all the extra lines are continuously removing. So this is the step number three. This is the step number three. And in the step number three, at the end of the step number three, you will color the diagram. You will color it. Okay, I hope student it is clear. Now we will move towards the cup and saucer with square shape. We will cover the, we will draw cup and saucer by the help of the square shape. So for this, as we all know that object drawing based on three steps. So we will start it with three steps. Okay, for the step number one, for cup and saucer, to draw the cup and saucer is draw four horizontal lines and five vertical lines with separation of a specific measurement. What we will do? We will draw four horizontal lines and five vertical lines with separation of specific measurements. Okay, as this one is the diagram, we will try to draw it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are 4 horizontal lines, while 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are the vertical lines. So the difference and the distance between them is about 5 centimeter, also 5 to 6 centimeter. This one is the about 7 to 8 centimeter, and this one distance will be about 4 centimeter, 5 to 6 centimeter, again 4 centimeter. Okay, student, our graph is ready to draw cup and saucer. Now we will move towards the point number 2 and the step number 2. So in the step number 2, we will highlight and draw specific lines on the graph. So what we will do, we will highlight and draw some specific lines on the graph. Now, this one is a step number 2. As the graph is already mentioned in this step number 2. So we will just draw some extra lines on it and specific lines on it. Okay, to draw a cup and saucer, first of all, we will draw an oval shape. So this one is the oval shape. After it, you will highlight it to make and complete the diagram to draw a cup. I hope it is clear. Oval shape, a vertical line, curved it, and below this another curve, and in respect to the first one, you will draw another curve, but the size is the difference. Shape is different here. Okay, so then is another line which is vertical. Now we will try to draw a handle for it. So this one is the handle. I hope it is clear, students. Now we will draw saucer. So for drawing a saucer, you will take a curved shape around the base of the cup, and there is an other curved shape and a big one curved shape to draw a saucer. And at the end of this oval shape, you will draw another curved shape which is used as a base of the saucer. Okay, student, I hope it is clear. Okay, in the step number 3, as we all know, in the step number 3, we will rub or remove the extra lines and color the diagram. So, we will start to remove the extra lines. Okay, remove the extra lines. We will start to remove the extra lines. Okay, so the extra lines are removed. Now what we will do? We will color it in this step number 3. Okay, in this step number 3, we will color it as per your own choice. I hope, student, the diagrams are very clear. The third topic for the object drawing is the parrot. We will draw a parrot with the oval shape. So, as we all know, the object drawing based on the 3 steps. What are the 3 steps to draw a parrot with the oval shape? And the steps are, first one, you will draw oval shape. Were there these lines, extra lines to draw a tail, to give a proper shape to a tail. So as a branching, you will join the head with the body, and this one is the leg. Okay, the diagram is just will be look like this. Okay, so the diagram is completed here, but I hope it is not very easy for you. So we will start it. Okay, in the step number 1, what we will do? We will take two oval shape. First one for the head, and the next one is for the body. Okay, in the step number 2, we will join it. What we will do? We will join it. Okay, in the step number 3, to draw a tail, we will give a curved shape line, little bit curve, but first one is you will draw a vertical line for it, slant line, and you will curve from the front of it. Okay, in this step, next step, you will draw its legs. Okay, you will draw beak for the beak. After it, you will highlight it and draw its wings. Now I highlight it, and you will draw some accessories just to give a proper shape to the wings. In this step number 3, we will give the more detail to the parrot, highlight the eye, give some extra accessories, did some details. Okay, this one is the proper shape for the parrot. Okay, in the step number 3, what you will do at the end of the step number 3, you will color it. So, you will color it. Okay, I hope it is clear, student. Where is gone? Where is gone? Oh, go. It's gone now. So, we will move towards the step now, the topic tones. Okay, for the tones, we will discuss about cattle and book. So, today we will cover the cattles and the book by the help of the tone. So, actually, what is the tone? This one is the definition for the tone. Okay, tone describes the lightness or darkness of an object. What is the tone? Tone describes the lightness or the darkness of an object. About the tones, how we can discuss the tones? So the tone of your drawing will depend actually on the position of the light source. Whenever you will draw a diagram with tones, always remember you have to show the position, the source of the light. You will have to show the position of the light source. So, in the next thing, practice drawing or the painting simple solids and their shadows like that, noticing where the light is coming from. As you can see in the slide, the brightest part of this diagram is this one, and the darkest part of this diagram is this. And this one is the shadow where the light not probably comes. So, this one is the source of the light. Actually, the part which is more brighter, it is the part on which the light, the source of light, and we reach easily. So this one is the part where the light reach easily, and this one is the part which is the darkest part where the light not comes properly. And in the respect of this one, the shadow will be drawn. Okay, as you can see in both pictures, tones. This one is little bit the brightest part, and this is the darkest part. As this one diagram, little bit brightest part and little bit darkest part, which shows the tone, which shows actually the direction of the light. So whenever you draw any diagram with the tones, so what you will do, you will focus on the source of the light. You will focus on the source of the light, and to draw the tones you will use a pencil, a black pencil or the lead pencil. So first of all, we will discuss about the cattle, and we will draw cattle with tones. So how we can draw it? Steps to draw the cattle. So in the step number 1, to draw a cattle with tones is, you will draw a circle. First of all, you will draw a specific measurements of the circle. On the top of it, you will draw an oval shape to which will use as a cap for it. Now you will highlight it. Its half part needs a semicircle, and the other one another semicircle, right part and the left part. Okay, now you will erase the extra line. Means the first one circle. You will erase the first one circle. Okay. In the third, you will draw its base by the help of the one horizontal line and diagonal lines. You will draw its base. Okay. This one is the handle. By the help of the two curved lines, you can easily draw the handle. Okay. This one is the diagram for the cattle. give some accessories, draw the some accessories to give a proper shape to the diagram of the cattle. Now it's time to shade it, means for the tones. It's time for the tones. Okay, as you can see in your screen, these are the shades. Actually, these are the tones. By the mixture of black and white, tones can be created. So, this one is the darkest part as compared to this part. Means it is highlighting that the source of light is this one. So, the brightest part shows the source of light, and the darkest part is the part where the light not properly reach. As and same in this diagram, these are the shaded part, more shaded part, dark part, light, and in the third one, dark part, darkest. This one is the brightest. Means the source of light is this one. Here's the lights comes. So these are the brightest part, and these are the darkest part of this diagram. And always remember, whenever you will draw a diagram with tones, so you will have to focus the source of light. Actually in the tones we only enhance the source of light. Okay, now we will move towards the book with tone. Okay, this one is the book and we will draw it. To draw a book, we will take two slant lines. Draw two slant lines, and in respect of it, we will draw two another lines, slant lines, to make a proper diagonal box. Okay, in respect to the first one line, we will draw another line which is parallel to the first one. Okay, similarly, at the right side, you will draw another parallel line, but the diagonals in respect to the this line which is parallel. Okay, now with the curve shape you will close it, these two lines like that, and you will draw another slant line to close it. Okay, we will, the book is now completed, this one. To draw some page inside it, you will draw some lines on it like that, like that. Okay, so the book is of the science. This one is the accessory actually. Now we will move towards the tone, that how we can draw the tones. Okay, in the first one diagram, there is only a structure. You will draw a book. Now in the second one, we shade it. Means there is a tone by the help of the pencil. We enlightened. This one is the lightest, means the brightest part, and this one is the darkest part. Light and dark. Light part and dark part. It is means that the source of light is this one. These are the papers. Okay, student, these are the pages inside the book. Okay, this is the lightest part, and these are the darkest part of the book, which highlighted by the help of the tones. Okay, this diagram is completed now. I hope students this is clear. Okay, students, now we will repeat some things that today we will cover some object drawing. What are the object drawings are there? First one is the table. Table with rectangular shape. Step number one. In the step number one, we will draw a graph. Step number two, highlight the specific lines. In the step number three, we will erase the lines and color it. After it, we will draw cup and saucer with the help of the square shape. In the step number one, we will draw a graph. And in step number two, we will highlight it, the specific line to draw or even give a proper shape to the diagram. In the step number three, we will remove the extra line. As you can see on the screen, the lines are removed. At the end of this step number three, we will color it. Now, in this step number parrot, this one is the third one topic for the object drawing. So, we will draw parrot with the oval shape. Object drawing based actually on the three steps. So, you can easily draw the parrot by the help of the oval shape. So, this one is the parrot. Okay, the step number one, you will draw a oval shape. Two oval shape. First one is for the head and other one is for the body. So we'll join it, make a tail, beak, legs, wings, etc. and get a proper shape and some accessory to give proper highlighting for the parrot. And in the last step, you will color it. I hope it is clear, students. Now the second topic is our tones. We will draw kettle and book with the tones. This one is the definition for the tones. The tones describe the lightness or the darkness of an object. The tone of your drawing will depends on the position of the light source. Always remember it's depend on the position of the light source. Okay, there's a difference. To kettle with the tones, to draw a kettle, will first of all you will draw a circle and highlight it and give them accessories. Okay, and the last you will draw the tones inside the kettle. Okay, the book with the tones. You will draw the book first of all. Yes, I already shared with you. Now you will give some tones. Okay, home task. It's for the home task. It's time for the sharing the home task. Okay, you will draw the following diagrams. Means first of all, you will draw object drawings. Okay, so the question is draw table with rectangular shape and color it. The next is draw cup and saucer with square shape and color it. Draw parrot with oval shape and color it. The next topic is of tones. So you will draw kettle with tones. You will draw book with tone. I hope student it is clear to you. Allah Hafiz.